Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. Soglank tumka yoka dita maja cooking channel na chair. So today I'm going to show you Malvani chicken. Already one video is there. Malvani chicken, Malvani masala powder recipe is already there. I will share the link in the description box. So one more dish I had made of Malvani chicken curry, and today also I am going to do a Malvani chicken dish. So for that we need Malvani chicken masala, around 2 tablespoons of this. Then we will be adding turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder. 1 kg of chicken with bones. You can use boneless chicken. These are 3 tomatoes, 2 green chilies, 2 big onions. Now this is a fish oil which I am going to use. If you don't have fish oil, you can use any other different oil. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 cup of coconut juice. Okay, you can use ready-made, but homemade is always good. So let's start our dish. So this is without marination, no need of marination, only wash it nicely. And this all you keep ready, and we'll start our dish. Now oil, if you don't have fish oil, then you can use a regular oil or you can use mustard oil. तो सगळ्यांक हांव हे जे आयज डिश दाखयता आमचे मालवणी चिकन, ताका लागून ह्यो मसालोचो पिठो जावं पडटलो आनी हेजी रेसिपी जावन आसा हांव डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्सान घालतली. तर हांवें घेतला 1 किलो चिकन हाडा सयत. ही जावन आसा आमची 3 टमाटां, हे 2 व्हडले कांदे, 2 मिरसांग्यो, हे जावन आसा नुस्त्याचें तेल. जेन्ना तूं कितें आंत बीत भाजीत जाल्यार तुका नुस्त्याचें तेल मेवतलें, तें तुमी उजार करूं येता. मागीर 1 कुलेर आमचे आले लसणाची पेस्ट. ह्यो हांवें घेतला 1 कप, 1 नाल्लाचो आमचो रोस ज्यूस, कोकोनट ज्यूस, आनी 2 कुलेरां मालवणीचो मसालो. मागीर आमचे नॉर्मल पिठो पूण येतलो हितून, हल्दीचो पिठो आनी कोरियंदा पिठो आनी इल्लोहो चिली पावडर. ओके, तो पळोवन घेयात. 2 कुलेर आमचें हें तेल. Let's add our onion. And the chilies and fry it. बरो भाजून घेऊया. You have to fry this onion till golden brown. Till it's fried nicely, you have to fry this. Now we'll add our ginger garlic paste. And our tomatoes. And let this cook till the tomatoes are nicely soft. ताका आमी धांपून शिजोवया till ही टमाटा बरी सगळी शिजतली त्या मजून. Now we will add our masala to this. आता आमच्या हितून मसालो घालया. पयले आमचे घालया हळदीचो पिठो. So first we'll add our turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. And we'll add our Malvani masala powder, 2 tablespoons. now we'll add our salt to this. Salt to taste. Now we'll add our chicken to this and mix this nicely. Cover this and cook this for 10 minutes. Then we will add our coconut juice and again cook this. So we'll cover this. This should mix currently, so let's at this point we'll add our coconut juice. आता मी नारळाचा रोस घालून घेऊया. Mix करेंगे. So let's mix this and cook this for 10 minutes. Okay, check your salt and everything. Cook on low flame. Few leaves of mint I will add now. And chopped coriander. Mix this. पुदिना घातलेला बरो वास येता आणि पुदिना घातले कोरिएंडर लीव्स. दहा मिनिटांनी आमची कोडी तयार. चिकनाची कोडी तयार. मालवणी चिकन करी इज रेडी इन 10 minutes. And here is a Malvani chicken is ready to serve. Hope you all will enjoy this chicken curry. मानता की तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटली आनी आमचे चिकन शिजलें आनी बरो जाला तो आमचो आनी मालवणी कोंबडेचो चिकनाची रेसिपी तयार जावन आसा. मानता तुमकां हें आवडटलें. करात बरे भशेन. जाता जाल्यार हाडाचें मासूच घेयात कित्याक हाडांक सुबेज रूच आसता पण कोणाक हाडां नाका तेंच्यांनी बोनलेस घेवं येता. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं तुमकां. थँक्यू.